For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever struggled to get your rice just right? Sometimes too sticky, sometimes too dry? I've been there too. That's exactly why I started using the Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, CRP-ST0609FG. And honestly, it changed the way I cook rice forever. The Cuckoo isn't just another rice cooker. It's designed for people who want full control over texture and taste. Cuckoo, one of Korea's most trusted kitchen brands, has built a reputation for precision and smart cooking innovation, and this model truly shows why. What makes it stand out is its twin pressure system, giving you two ways to cook. When I'm creating sticky rice, I use the high pressure mode, and the grains come out soft, chewy, and perfectly cooked. But when I want fluffy long grain rice, switching to non-pressure mode gives me that light and airy result. I love that I can get both textures in one cooker. It's like having two machines in one. Then there are the 16 menu options, not just for rice, but for porridge, GABA brown rice, glutinous rice, steamed veggies, and more. I once tried the open cooking mode to steam mixed vegetables, and it worked beautifully. Evenly cooked, fresh, and never soggy. It's great when you want to experiment or make quick, healthy meals without standing over the stove. The 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked capacity fits small to medium families perfectly. I usually make enough for dinner and still have leftovers for lunch the next day. The non-stick inner pot really helps with cleanup. No scraping, no burnt spots, just smooth and easy. Safety is another area Cuckoo nails. The safe steam release automatically releases pressure gently and quietly. I've used other brands that hiss loudly and feel a bit risky, but this one operates smoothly and feels secure. It's a small thing that adds a lot of confidence while cooking. The voice guide is another thoughtful touch. It walks you through each mode, so even if you're new to rice cookers, you won't mess up. The first time I used it, I almost picked the wrong setting, but the voice reminder saved me from that mistake. Cuckoo also includes everything you need right in the box: a rice spatula, measuring cup, and manual. Setting it up took me less than 10 minutes. After several weeks of use, I can confidently say the Cuckoo Twin Pressure Rice Cooker gives consistent, restaurant-quality rice every single time. If you're serious about good rice and want a reliable, smart, and easy-to-use cooker that fits your daily routine, this one's worth it. It's not just about convenience. It's about getting that perfect bowl every single time, without the guesswork.